Well, good evening. It's dinner time and we are going to get prepared to make a coconut shrimp. I posted on a story, it was like 10 days ago, and we had more than a few requests to what it was, how do you make it, and I'm going to show you today. We're going to show you today. Unfortunately, my beautiful wife is not feeling too well, but she's still a trooper, champion. Look at that smile. There you go. We got the shrimp going. She's doing a great job peeling. But let me tell you what you need to get this masterpiece underway. So the full recipe calls for 12 large, peeled, raw, deveined shrimp. And we got the master at work here, peeling these puppies off, getting a little slop everywhere. That's part of the process. The prep takes the longest, right, babe?
Yeah.
How long does the prep take on this meal?
20 minutes.
20 minutes? All right, that's what really takes the most time. You're gonna need 1 egg. We just use 1, that's plain, to coat the shrimp. The recipe calls for 1 cup of unsweetened coconut flakes, but last time it was what, bland, right?
Bland.
Bland, so we're gonna shake it up and we're gonna go half and half. Half sweetened coconut, half unsweetened coconut for 1 cup. Then there's gonna be 1 cup of panko, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, half cup of all-purpose flour, and the best tool that we use, and which makes this uber delicious, is that we use an air fryer. We got this for Christmas, and we're just trying to position ourselves to use it more frequently and try some new recipes out. So as much as we loved the recipe last time, we really think that you're gonna love it this time, and we're just gonna make a couple shakes to it with the coconut and a couple other things. So let's get cranking, let's get shaking. What do you say? Hi. So essentially, here's the best part and the messiest part of actually putting it together. Once we get the assembly line, let me show you how this works. I'm gonna relieve my wife from the shrimp duties and get this done. So before I show you the dip and flip, let me show you what the assembly line looks like. We have the deveined peeled raw shrimp. Then it is the half cup of all-purpose flour and the tablespoon of cornstarch. The egg is scrambled. Next is going to be the coconut. And again, you can use the unsweetened coconut. We decided in this recipe to use half a cup of unsweetened and half cup of sweetened coconut flakes. And then here's the fryer. Put it right in there, get it ready for some air frying. Nice and healthy alternative way to get the cooking going. So here's how it works. All you do is, like I said, put the shrimp right in there, flip it around, make sure it's coated in the flour and cornstarch batter. Put it right in the egg, lather that puppy up. Oh yeah, just like that. And my wife was smart. She advised me to push in the corn or the coconut flakes so it sticks to the shrimp. Can't tell which is my fingers and which is the shrimp, right? And you put it right in here and layer them up. You want to try?
Yeah.
You want to give this a whirl? I'll give you a fast forward feature, but you know what? I think we're going to get a faster way of doing this. Another alternative.
Excuse me.
Give it a try. All right,
Oh.
one more here, and then I will fast forward the process here. Oh, nice and juicy.
It's nice and juicy.
You always like getting your hands dirty, don't you? Joey, you want to try? No. Well said. Then my wife, my brilliant wife, had the idea of saying, hey, why don't you just get a Ziploc bag and put the flour and cornstarch in there, like I'm doing. Because again, it is getting messy, and then just dump the shrimp in there. I knew I married her for a great reason. And then once you, yep.
That's the hard way.
This is the easy way, apparently, because now it's less messy. Dear, you're incredible. And now we can just mix here. Now, obviously, we have more than 12 shrimp, what the recipe calls for. That's a part of my
I want to do it the other
pronunciation.
way.
I'm not feeling well myself. But now that we have them all coated,
I wanted to do it the other
this is
way.
approximately, how many shrimp do we have in here? I don't know, 60 shrimp. So this will probably give us a couple meals. And now, pull, dip, flip, bake. All right, so after all the prep is done, it's a little difficult to make out what this greatness is, but I can guarantee you there are about 24 shrimp in there. And you space them accordingly. Once we put this in the air fryer, we are ready to go.
Hey, I want to
These are awesome because it's got these predetermined settings. You want to see? Look at that masterpiece.
Wow.
Ah, she always has to look at everything. But that's what I love about her.
There's more?
Yeah, we're gonna save the rest for another meal. So once we set this up,
Daddy!
yeah, come here, buddy. Shrimp, and we're gonna go for 8 minutes, and it starts automatically.
Daddy.
Hey, you ready for this barrage of shrimp, coconut shrimp? All
Daddy.
right, let's wait. Let's see how this comes out when we're done.
Dad.
Bake, baby, bake! There you have it. Holy mackerel. Now that is, it's hot. Careful.
Wow.
That's coconut shrimp right there. Air fried deliciousness. And here is your macro count per 12 pieces of shrimp. And this can be complemented with a nice rice pilaf for dinner tonight. Try it out. Enjoy.